Hello, hello, hello. Today is Tuesday, the 28th of November. My name is Andrei Buchins, and today I'm going to talk about what happened in cryptocurrency market in the last 24 hours. Okay, let's take a look. Firstly, Bitcoin. As I said yesterday, maybe it's a good idea to move the stop loss to break even. And this is what we did, and we got stopped out. And now we can seek for another entry. What would be, in my opinion, the best setup regarding the new liquidity would be to seek another entry on long position here, okay, with the target on this upper liquidity zone on this resistance line with a stop loss risk reward 1-to-3 ratio, because we don't have a lot of room to operate in. So stop loss would be like 1.21%. Okay, why? Because we have fresh liquidity here. This is the fresh liquidity which is still open. Also here, everybody who went long have stop losses here. On the upper side, maybe here. Okay, so we will see. If we will enter this long position, this would be the trading idea. If the price will go up to here now, then we will look for short position with this target. Okay, so one of two things. Okay, like this. This would be the other side of trading idea, one or another. Okay, wait long here, wait short here. Okay, whichever come first. Okay, Bitcoin is now in a choppy price action, which is really hard to make money. It's making higher highs, higher lows, and higher highs. That means I think sooner or later we will go up. We will break this resistance at 38,000 and continue. But to where? Okay. What is realistically to expect for the next 2 years, for the next bull cycle for Bitcoin would be that from the bottom of the last bear market, okay, which was around $15,700, we can expect maybe 10x to $150,000. This would be realistic. Okay, more than that, very low probability. Why I think it's probabilistic? Because from the bottom of the last previous cycle, we had more than 20x. We went up from 3,000 to almost 70,000. Okay, so why not to do this now? But if you want more, so from this price now, you can expect 3x. If you want more than 3x, then you have to invest in altcoins. In probably most best would be new projects which are not more than 1 year old and have a team that is public and can be verified, and they have at least one tier 1 centralized exchange listed, like Bybit. For example, we are looking at Shrapnel, and market cap is between 10 and $100 million maximum. Okay, so Shrapnel fits all these criteria. It's also in the gaming category, which is hot narrative in crypto at the moment, and it looks like it will be one of the hottest for the next 2 years. Okay, then there is one more thing to look at regarding investing in altcoins. So how much should you put in Bitcoin? At least 1/3 of your portfolio. Why? Because you can do the math. From if the Bitcoin can do 3x, that means you you can put 66% of all other money in altcoins. If they all went to zero, you are still zero positive. You don't lose nothing. So that's why 33% in Bitcoin, 66 in altcoins. Okay, then when you look at altcoins, this is very important. How much of the supply is circulating? For example, shrapnel has only 7.73% of all of total supply in circulation. That means there will come a lot of new coins on the market and will represent selling pressure. But when? You have to read the white paper. In the white paper, you see that these coins that are not in the market will be released only after 12 months, okay, in 1 year, and they will be releasing them for 10 years. So if all the coins were released today, for shrapnel, it would be worth 610 million. This is already big, okay, but this is the factors you have to evaluate and look for entry on corrections like it was yesterday. So, okay, what is new? Also, crypto inflows in crypto funds. See, last week were the best week yet since the late 2021 bull market. So 346 million went into crypto funds, mostly in Bitcoin. This will increase after halving, Bitcoin halving, and after Bitcoin ETF and then Ethereum ETF. We can expect more and more liquidity to come in the market. But for the new coins, you will not see them on Binance. You will have to look at smaller exchanges. On Binance, there are old coins, relatively old coins, like this one, Syscoin. This is from 2017 project, which is still going. And from time to time, it does a little pump. Okay. It will probably never reach all-time highs again, but what do we have here? We had this correction. Okay, price went up and down, so I think it's not worth entering. It's a high probability this will go down again to these levels. And we have ontology gas. This one looks like this. Like what? Let's delete all this. So this was wave 1, wave 2. Whereas the top was here. The beginning of this wave was here. So we already had a 50% correction. Now the price escaped. Then we have Cortex. Something is going on with this coin the last few days. I don't know why, but it's growing. But I think here, wave 1, too much of correction. Wave 1, price escape. You will not chase it. Then we have rare and super foreign. Rare looks like this. This was the correction. Okay, let's see how much was this correction. It's too much. We have this movement to here, top of the move and bottom, beginning. You can look for entry on this green price. The target, final target is 22%. That means we will risk maximum. Pardon. We have to look at long position, not short. Long. 22%. And we risk how much? We risk 5.5%. Okay. That means 35% of your portfolio. Then we have Super Farm. Super Farm. We have seen here first wave, correction, and now second wave is making a correction move. So we can look for entry on this green. Price risk not more than 7%. That means a little less than 30% of your portfolio. Okay, another trading idea. Let's look one more. FTT. FTT token, FTX token. Let's take a look. Wave 1. And now correction of the wave 2 is here. Also, we can set up limit buy order on this price. Risk 6.36%. And final target here, 6.3%. That means 35% of your portfolio. It's enough. You have a few trading ideas. Please like and subscribe, and see you all again tomorrow. Goodbye.